5 before 5. A timeless reminder from the Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him. Life is full of blessings, but time is fleeting. Islam teaches us to cherish the gifts we have before they slip away. Let's explore the 5 before 5. A timeless reminder from the Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him. First, youth before old age. Your youth is a time of energy, strength, and passion. Use it to learn, to grow, and to serve others. Don't let these years pass by without purpose, for soon the days of old age will come, and the opportunities will change. Second, health before sickness. When you're healthy, it's easy to take it for granted. But in moments of illness, even simple tasks become difficult. Make the most of your health now. Use it to pray, to work, and to enjoy life in the way that pleases Allah. Third, wealth before poverty. Wealth is a gift, but it can also be a test. Use your resources wisely, share what you have, and give to those in need. The money you spend in good causes today will benefit you in this life and the next. Don't wait until it's too late. Fourth, free time before being busy. Time is one of the most precious gifts. Spend it wisely before life gets busy and responsibilities take over. Use your free moments to learn, to reflect, and to draw closer to Allah. Once they're gone, you won't get them back. And finally, life before death. We all have an end, but we don't know when it will come. Every breath is an opportunity. Use your life to prepare for what comes after. Do good, be kind, and live with intention. Life is short, and every moment counts. Cherish your blessings and live with purpose. This is the essence of the 5 before 5. May Allah rewards and guide us guidance. Feel free to share, comment, and subscribe.